Check out this boat. I didn't even notice that long ago when we walked over looking at the Spanish with a little chain mail. All over this stuff. There's things that tell you what it is. We're not going to get into that. Great place for children. You have interactive things like here. Showing you how to tie rope knots, and then at the bottom they got a spot where you can try it. Try your different knot. This is probably one of my favorite museums out of all of them we've been to. That's how you cook on the ship, keep it separate from the floor. I couldn't get it. I see the below deck. We're going to walk in there. We can't go up to the top deck. That's it. Inside the galley.